Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a slightly used 2019 Ford Transit Connect with a Mini-T conversion. This has the rear split door, awning, on the roof you find solar, over-the-air antenna, max air fan. The back has the hitch, shore power plug. Inside you find a dual house batteries, 2000 watt inverter, microwave that can be ran even if you're not plugged in, thermostatically controlled refrigerator, sink, our starter kit which includes skeeter beaters which are magnetic screens, the cord, also comes with a toilet, just foldable, fits under the bed. Also comes with a portable butane stove. Inside you find the couch, has underbed storage, folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed, LED lighting, TV DVD player. It has the gray cloth seats, very low mileage. Give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Our website is DLM-Distribution.com. Happy camping!